you're gonna miss my new listing. John Christian Place, our fantastic new listing in Temecula. And I'm gonna share with you our three favorite things about this property today. First of all, the kitchen's gorgeous. It's got white cabinets, stainless steel appliances. It's got this huge bay window that brings in a ton of natural light, and it's open to the living room and the dining room. It's lovely. Second thing is the layout in this property. So it's got a downstairs master with big vaulted ceilings and a sliding glass door that goes out to the patio. It's got its own bathroom right off of the master with the closet right off of that. So it's kind of this enclosed space on the ground level. Feels like a single level home for the primary owner. The two other bedrooms are upstairs. Those two bedrooms are not located on top of the master bedroom. They're over the garage. So if you've got littles or roommates and they're stomping around, it's not gonna bother you in the master. Love that. Third thing is this house is walking distance from everything. 3 doors down, you've got the community pool, the community spa, the playgrounds and parks and all that stuff. And just across the main road, you got all the shopping in Temecula. You got the CVS, you got the grocery stores, you got the gyms, you got the Starbucks. You're 2 turns from the highway and 4 turns off the freeway. But you don't feel like you're that close. You feel like you're in your own community. So, don't miss this listing. It's gonna go fast. That's John Christian Place. I'm Matt Honeycutt with the Whissel Realty Group. Thanks for watching.